So in the West Coast, with the changing times and sadly the fires that are currently devastating our state, we're recognizing that electrification is here and it's not going anywhere. As these homes are being crumbled and we're losing them, what happens next is electrification. It's not new gas lines.
I would say I get questions about induction cooking all the time. Induction cooking, people are just fascinated by it. So it would be great to see this move to the outdoor kitchen space.
For induction, that is a big focal point for us in pushing that envelope and identifying where there are gaps, like you said, for an outdoor approved induction stove. That is something that we're shooting for currently.
As a company, we're putting the research in. As a trade developer, my job is to make sure our designers understand what induction is and how great induction is. It's just good old-fashioned, awesome electricity working at its best, along with the new opportunities for electrification outdoors, like our Evo.
A modular kind of repertoire for outdoor cooking, I think, is something that's really appealing to me, because some people have unlimited space for creating these outdoor environments, and then other people have more limited situations. They're less square footage to devote to these sorts of things. But if one can find a collection that allows you to go from big to small, based on your available space, I think that's remarkable, because then you can keep the quality consistency is uniform from project to project, though the project may differ in size. And I think that's really important. I love flexibility. And it's amazing to me how, sometimes with certain clients, they want grills that could be, they put multiple 4-foot grills together in order to have a huge experience. And then other people just need a 30-inch grill. But they all want, the unifying theme is that they all want the quality.
You can look at some modular, you can look at some countertop stuff and see what's happening there. And usually that's a good indicator of market proofing that then we'll start seeing getting brought into the built-in appliance fleet.
There is a trend growing that people are just kind of welding and manufacturing their own sort of outdoor grill products. But that then it becomes niche, right? It becomes very specialty.
One of my favorite things to do with one of my friends is go and do outdoor pizza making with their pizza oven.
I would say adapting one of the electric indoor pizza ovens to be UL rated, to be outdoors, would really be a cool piece to have.
Yeah, I would say then also bringing a steam oven somewhere, wherever I go, I need to bring the steam oven with me because I love them so much.
Protecting the internal components is the biggest challenge. Once those internal components get any kind of erosion, that's where we've got our challenge, which is why none of our indoor electric appliances can go outdoors. The industry is going to have to adapt with keeping everything sealed, keeping everything closed so we can bring things outdoors. If we can start doing that, sky's the limit, really.